Hi, my name is Sergio Couto and you're welcome to Buchan Guns TV. What we got here today? We have a beautiful Browning Ultra XS. That's a long gun. Originally 32 inches, but has an extended chokes, so 33 inches. Beautiful gun. A very clumsy one. A Hudson AT-44 air rifle. Why we have that two guns? No, because of their shape and how big they are. So for me to show you that next product, I think they are the perfect candidates, just say. Right. Imagine you are out shooting, clays, pigeons, wherever, rabbits. Come home, you have fingerprints on a gun, you want to store the guns. So which way do you store your guns? Here we have two products from Milbro, Milbro Sports, which I think is brilliant. Many different makes make them, one's better than others. I will show you why. It's a gun sock and is impregnated with silicone to protect your gun from moisture and anything like that. But before that, we have impregnated cloth, which comes in a Velcro bag to keep it moist, and something like that to keep all the moisture inside the bag. I don't know what to call that. The bag itself is really impregnated. As you can see, I don't know if you can make up, but there is a lot of marks. So if I just pass the cloth, because we know fingerprints become rust, and when you have a gun, a beautiful gun like that, we don't really want that happen. So then you grab the sock over the gun, pull the strings, and then you have it. You have a gun that is clean and ready for next time. The good thing about that socks are they are not expensive by any means, and you can have a couple of them, one of them for every single rifle or shotgun, and then prevent scratches on the gun cabinet from other guns. So I think it's brilliant. And this particular one, they stretch. To show you is why I pick up that long 33 inches shotgun. So it's one of the longest. So I'm going to remove that one now to show that the same gun sock can do rifles with scopes, shotguns, pull the strings, and then you have it. I think it's fantastic, really good. I got some myself, and if it didn't work, I wouldn't let you know. So that's the gun sock and the silicone cloth from Milbro, which I think they are brilliant, and they really keep long life for your guns. So without further ado, thanks for watching and catch you later.